Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the table of 2 through this activity. Okay? And what you are going to do that I am going to explain. For that you will need few things. Okay? First you will need this punching machine. Okay? Then you will need one colored paper. Okay? You can use any colored paper, like where I have used this yellow paper. You will need a glue. Then you will need a pencil, scale and one small chart paper. Okay? First of all, what we are going to do with the help of this punching machine, we are going to make small holes like this. Okay? Using this punching machine, you can make the small holes. You will get the small holes like this. What you need to do, you are going to put this colored paper into this punching machine and you are going to press like this. Okay, and after pressing you are going to remove this paper and you will get the small colored paper inside this. Okay, you will get the small circular pieces like this. Okay, children, tables are nothing but multiplication. Okay, so multiplication is also called as the repeated addition. Okay, now for that we are going to do, today we are going to learn the table of 2. Okay. For this we are going to use this color paper strips. Okay, table of 2 means group of 2. For that I am going to take first I took these 2 small circular pieces. Okay, how many groups are there? Okay, this is one group of 2 pieces or 2 circles. Okay, so this is one group of 2 circles. How many groups? I am repeating again, one group of 2. Okay, so how you are going to write this? See, on this paper I have made 3 sections. One for pasting the picture, pasting the circular papers. And here we are going to write how the table of 2 is formed through repeated addition. And here we are going to get the table of 2. We'll paste these 2 circular papers. Okay, how many groups are there? Only one group is there. So, only 2 circular pieces we have. How many groups? Okay, how are we going to write this? See, I'll explain you. Okay, one group of 2 is equal to 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2. Okay, now we'll take the next. Now in this what I did, I've increased one more group. Okay, here only one group was there, only one group of 2. Here I took one more group. Okay, so 2 plus 2. We're going to write here 2 plus 2 is equal to how much? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. The total comes 4. How many groups of 2? 2 groups of 2. 2 groups of 2 is equal to 4. Okay? Next I took one more group. Okay? Now here only one group is there. Here we have 2 groups and here one more group is added in this. 3 groups. Okay, means 2, 2, 2. 2 is repeated how many times? 3 times 2 is repeated. So we are going to write here 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to how much? Okay, come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 2 when we are taking, the total comes 6. Means 3 groups of 2 is equal to 6. Okay, 3 groups of 2 is equal to 6. In the other way we can write this 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, now next one more group I added. Okay, only 3 were there here. So I took one more group of 2 here. So how many groups become? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 2. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll write number 8. Okay, 4 groups of 2 means how much? 4 groups of 2. 2 fours are 8. Okay, in this way we are going to add the number of groups and the table of 2 will form. Now, after the 4 group, I have added one more group of 2. Okay, let's count the number of groups in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 5 groups of 2. Okay, 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 groups of 2 means 2 is repeated 5 times. Okay, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 is repeated 5 times. Means how much? Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the answer. Okay, means 5 group of 2 is equal to 10. Okay, 2 5s are 10. Now here I have added one more group. Okay, let's count the number of groups here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have 6 groups of 2. Okay, so 6 times 2, 2, 2 is repeated 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2 is repeated. Okay, so let's count and check. What is the total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is the answer. Okay, means 6 groups of 2 is equal to 12. Whenever we put 6 groups of 2 together, the answer comes 12. Okay, now in this 6, one more group is added. Let's count and check the number of groups. Here we had 6 groups. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have 7 groups of 2. Means this 2 is repeated 7 times. 7 times 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Let's write down and check. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 2 is repeated. Okay, now what is the total? Repeated additions total. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is the answer. Okay, means 7 groups of 2 is equal to 14. Okay, if the group of 2 is repeated 7 times, the answer comes 14. Now one more group I added in this. Okay, 8th group is added. Let's count the number of groups once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have 8 groups of 2. Okay, means 2 is repeated 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 2 is repeated. Okay, so what is the total? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is the answer. Okay, means 8 groups of 2 is equal to 16. Okay, if we have 8 groups of 2, the answer comes 16. 2 8s are 16. Now one more group is added in the next. Okay, let's count the number of groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have 9 groups of 2. Okay, means this 2 is repeated 9 times. Let's write down and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 times this 2 is repeated. So what is the total? How can we get the answer? For that you need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 is the answer. Okay, it means 9 groups of 2 is equal to 18. Okay, if you find anywhere the 9 groups of 2 kept together, so what will be the total of that? 18. Okay, every time doing this all the addition is very hectic to us, so that's why these tables are the short form of this repeated addition. If you learn the tables, it will help you to get the answer of these repeated additions. Okay, so we need not to count each and every particular single unit if you have learned the tables properly. Okay, now the last we will check one more group I added in this. Okay, you all are able to see these all are 9, so one more group I added in this, it is 10th group. Okay, let's count and check whether these are 10 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 groups of 2. Okay, means this 2 is repeated 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times the number 2 is repeated. So what is the total of all these? For that we need to count all these single units. Okay, we need to count the groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, means 10 groups of 2 is equal to 20. Okay, in this way we got the table of 2. Okay, this table is nothing but a repeated addition. See, if this is the table of 2, that's why we have used the group of 2. Okay, if we wanted to do the table of 3, for that we are going to use the group of 3's. Okay, how I'll show you just an example. If you wanted to start with the table of 3, our first group will be 3. Okay, we'll start with the 3. Okay, and this 3 only we are going to repeat here. 2 groups of 3. Okay, in this manner. Understood everyone? So this activity you all are going to do on a chart paper at your home. You can use any colored paper. Okay, you are going to make the 3 sections like this. On one of the section you will paste the pictures using the stick, this particular glue. Okay, I have not pasted right now, but you are going to paste it on this chart paper. We will show the repeated addition this side and the table of 2 and 3. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can call the teacher and ask about this. This activity will carry mark. Okay, this activity carries 10 marks. So this is compulsory for all of you to complete this activity. You can do the table of 2 or table of 3. Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, one more thing is left out here at the last. I forgot to show you the repeated addition of 20. Okay, it means 10 times this 2 is repeated. Okay, so you all need to count these and we'll write the number here. Okay, thank you everyone.